Traveling with family is always fun, and this time we decided to go to Thailand. Thai Airways is best. If you can manage, try this airline. Our first evening was at Patong Beach, and I must say it was full of life and very clean beach. Patong Beach is in Phuket, where we stayed for 3 days. If you planning for Thailand and want to meet the world, this is the right place for you. Okay, I think I should not mention what kind of nightlife you can experience here. Welcome to Bangla Walking Street. For the next day, that is day 2, we booked a speedboat tour for PP Islands. The tour we booked was based on joint group. We arrived at Royal Phuket Marina Pier, from where our PP Islands trip started. Once you reach here, coffee, tea, fruit juice, all is free. In this they offer many things like private vehicle for round-trip transfer from hotel, tour by speedboat, non-stop soft drinks and a bit of snacks and fruits in it, snorkeling equipment and a wonderful English-speaking guide. Speedboat was comfortable and we enjoyed a lot. Thumbs up for it. They give you a very good tour. At PP Leh, you can enjoy snorkeling. PP Islands are beautiful. I will suggest to have a night stay at PP Dawn, which we missed. It's altogether a different world. White sand, clear water, small cozy market. It's a wow place. What else one need? Now please don't say that a bag of cash. Famous Maya beach was closed, so we were not able to see it. We did our lunch at Kainok Island. It's the smallest island I saw so far, and we enjoyed every bit of it. By evening we were back to Phuket and did a little sightseeing. On our last day at Phuket, we visited Tiger Kingdom. It's a very unique zoo here which let you interact with these big cats. These tigers are hand raised by trainers from youth and are very well cared and are very docile. It's truly a unique experience when you sit with these tigers. The other important thing I will suggest is to see the dolphin show at Dolphin Bay. You're surely going to get surprised. There are many other things which one can enjoy here, like elephant sanctuaries, Old Phuket Town, night market, temples, Phuket Fantasy Show, James Bond Island. We were short of time. I will suggest to come at least for a week here. However, my day ends with a beautiful sunset. We also went to Pattaya, but the only thing we did here was a visit to Coral Island. There are many other things like Replay, Believe It or Not, Art in Paradise, Big Buddha Hill, Pattaya Floating Market. But with us, everything was not possible due to shortage of time. However, we also had a walk at Pattaya Walking Street and enjoyed our evening at the Nasha Club. It's basically Indian disco there. And finally, we landed to Bangkok and tried our best to utilize the day and evening. So the first thing we did was to go to Siam Paragon Mall, where this Sea Life Ocean World is located. It is wonderful. I was speechless there. They had exhibited more than 30,000 aquatic creatures from all over the globe. It's the largest underground aquarium in Southeast Asia. It is fun for entire family. And then we also wasted our time on shopping. And finally, we went to our last destination, Asiatic, the riverfront in evening. It's basically a casual street market, a nice place to have dinner, and once again, heaven for kids. If you are a seafood lover, try this. And if you want to surprise yourself, then try this. Well, we left many places here also, like Cow Sand Road, Floating Market, Wat Pao, Wat Arun and Grand Palace. Of course, once again, due to shortage of time. So I will suggest everyone to come at least for 15 days to see and experience everything here. I hope you like this video. Show some love, subscribe this channel, and I will see you in my next video.